tutorial. So in this video I'll be showing you guys a very simple strategy, easy to apply, two-step process on how to capitalize on this strategy. No name on this strategy, but it's really simple to use, and I'll show you guys how it works right now. The first tool you're going to need is a moving average. The setting is 100, and you're going to need a stochastic, quite simple, and it works on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, cool. I'm just gonna make this a little bit smaller. All right, great. So it works on the 15 minutes time frame if you use the 200 SMA actually. So I'm gonna put 200 here. Awesome. Now let me show you guys how it works. Very simple. Follow this strategy and you find profitability. Only two-step process. First step process, find a trend. If it's a ranging market, do not trade ranging markets. Does not work. As you can see, we've got a downtrend. Very clear downtrend. Want to be looking for sells, all right? So whenever the market is below the moving average, you want to look for sells, right? So how do you look for sells? When your stochastic says oversold, like here, or here, where it's over this dotted line, or here, you want to look for sells. Now, let me show you something, right? You can see this right here, a clear oversold, right? Now, after the oversold, we receive a crossover right here, and also right here, arguably. So if you took a sell, if you took a good sell right here, such, you would be walking away with a 4.5, well, a 1-to-4 ratio. So you're going to show another example. So if price is over the moving average, do not take sells. As you can see, we have another sell right here. Price is below the moving average. As you can see, we had an oversold right here, and we had an oversold. So you could have taken your sell either here or here. You stop loss over the most recent high, and you want to target the lows. All right. Now you can see easy profits. Try it out. Comment if you need further assistance. I do provide mentorship, so if you need help, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.